Hello, welcome to IT Expert YouTube video series. Autonomous AI agents are moving from buzzword to production reality. These are not just chatbots giving answers, they are systems that can plan, call tools, and even collaborate like tiny AI coworkers. In this video, I will show you how to choose the right agent framework, explain how the architecture really works under the hood, and then we will build a small but powerful multi-agent workflow using ChatGPT from end to end. Here's what we will cover. First, what Agentic AI actually means and why it is more than just prompting. Then, the core architecture and flow of these systems. Next, a tour of 4 major frameworks: LangGraph, AutoGen, Crew AI, and MetaGPT. We will look at real use cases and compare them head to head. After that, I will demo a step-by-step flow using ChatGPT. And finally, we will wrap with FAQs and 10 practice questions you can use to deepen your learning. What is Agentic AI? Agentic AI systems do not just answer questions, they decide what to do next. They plan, call tools or APIs, observe the results, and iterate until the goal is achieved. Think of the loop as perceive to plan to act to observe to reflect. Some systems even use multiple specialized agents that play different roles. Others are tool augmented, meaning they can use browsers, databases, or even execute code. The key building blocks you will hear again and again are LLM reasoning, with ChatGPT as the brain. A planner, which decides the next step. Tools functions or APIs like search, databases, Slack, or email. Memory short-term state and long-term storage like our AG. A critic or monitor, which checks outputs and guards against errors. And an orchestrator or graph, which routes tasks between agents. This foundation will make the rest of the session click. Architecture and flow. Let's break down the flow. It starts with a user goal. That gets passed into the orchestrator, which routes messages to the right agents. The planner agent breaks the big goal into smaller steps. The tool selector decides which external functions to call, like search or a database. Those calls return results, which feed into observations. A critic or guardrail checks if they make sense. Meanwhile, executor agents like a researcher or coder carry out tasks, saving data into memory for continuity. Finally, everything gets synthesized into a report or output for the user. Every framework we will cover today follows this mental model, even if the implementation details differ. Meet the frameworks. LangGraph. LangGraph, part of the LangChain ecosystem, is a stateful, graph-based orchestration layer. Its strengths are visualizable control flow, retries and branches, and easy integration with tools and our AG. It is best for complex workflows where you need deterministic routing and production-grade guardrails. AutoGen. AutoGen takes a different approach. Agents are framed as chat participants. Each has a role, tools, and even human-in-the-loop support. It shines at rapid multi-agent prototypes, collaborative problem-solving, and especially code-writing loops. Best fit. Research and coding assistance, or scenarios where agents debate and verify solutions. Crew AI. Crew AI organizes agents into a crew, each with defined goals and tools. Roles and tasks are first-class citizens. It is strong for business workflows, marketing, research, or operations where responsibilities are clearly divided. Think content creation pipelines, sales outreach, or back-office automation. MetaGPT. MetaGPT is opinionated. It gives you a company in a box, with agents like CEO, product manager, engineer, and QA. It is designed for software development flows. Product specs, design, coding, and review. It is best for bootstrapping product ideas and early engineering workflows. Use cases. These frameworks unlock a wide range of applications. Research and analysis, like market intelligence, Crew AI or AutoGen, are great here. Content operations, moving from briefs to drafts to publishing, Crew AI and LangGraph work well. Support and triage, where you classify tickets and escalate, LangGraph is a natural fit. DevOps and data workflows, like runbooks or incident triage, AutoGen and LangGraph. Product engineering, where MetaGPT excels. And sales and outreach, where Crew AI automates lead research and CRM updates. Comparison and when to choose. Here is a comparison at a glance. LangGraph. Graph orchestration, high control, strong for production. AutoGeneral multi-agent chat, great for collaboration and code verification. Crew AI role-based pipelines, good for business operations. MetaGPT company workflow, perfect for product templates. Rule of thumb. If you need robust routing and retries, choose LangGraph. If you want agents to debate or verify code, choose AutoGeneral. For quick business workflows, Crew AI is the lightweight choice. And if you want an engineering template out of the box, go with MetaGPT. Step-by-step demo. Now let's build something practical. A travel planner crew. The goal: produce a 3-day budget itinerary for Tokyo, with restaurants and Google Maps links. Our agents are: a planner, which breaks the trip into days and time slots. A researcher, which finds attractions and food with details. A budgeter, which keeps us under $150 per day. A synthesizer, which formats the itinerary. And a critic, which checks for duplicates or unrealistic travel times. Shared memory holds constraints, places, and running totals. The flow goes like this. User requirements go to the planner, who creates tasks. The researcher finds options and stores them. The budgeter adjusts choices to stay on budget. The synthesizer drafts an itinerary. The critic verifies it and either returns fixes or passes. Finally, the user receives a polished itinerary, complete with maps and exports. Best practices and pitfalls. To build stable agent systems, keep these best practices in mind. Always constrain loops with max turns or timeouts. Store memory outside the agent. Use a database or vector store. Make tool inputs and outputs deterministic with schemas. Add guardrails like critics, validators, and safety checks. Test with real and synthetic edge cases. Log every tool call and state change. And always have fallbacks, like cached results or safe defaults. Frequently asked questions. Do I need multiple agents, or is one enough? Start simple with one agent plus tools. Add roles only when needed. Which LLM should I use? ChatGPT is a solid default. You can mix cheaper models for research and stronger ones for planning. How do I prevent infinite loops? Set max turns, add critics, and define success criteria. Where should memory live? Short-term in the framework state, long-term in a vector database. Can agents call real APIs safely? Yes, wrap them with validation, rate limits, and dry run modes. How do I debug? Turn on verbose logs, capture state snapshots, and replay with same seeds. What about cost? Use cheaper models where possible, cache results, and batch tasks. How do I add human approvals? Insert checkpoints. AutoGen makes this especially easy. Which framework is best for our AG agents? LangGraph integrates tightly with our AG and LangChain, making it ideal. Any tips for production readiness? Yes, use feature flags, observability, guardrails, idempotent tools, and rollbacks. Call to action. If you did like the code version of today's demo flow for your preferred framework, just drop a comment saying Travel Crew and which framework you want. I will pin the most requested one first. Thank you for watching this video. We provide hands-on training with labs, homework, group projects. Prepare you for the certification. Provide real projects. Internship opportunities. Support you in Resume LinkedIn. Staffing support. Provide tech references. In-person online class. Class retake options and more. Call us at 847-350-0000 9034 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.